coming in. It's another tweet. It's another response from Donald Trump now on the situation in Iran. He says we'll postpone all strikes against Iran. He says, I'm pleased to report the United States of America and the country of Iran have had over the last 2 days very good and productive conversations regarding a complete and total resolution of our hostilities in the Middle East. This is the breaking news coming in. Donald Trump, US President, has now spoken about it and said, based on the tenor and the tone of these in-depth, detailed, constructive conversations which will continue through the week, I have instructed the Department of War to postpone any and all military strikes against Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure for a 5-day period. Subject to the success of this ongoing meetings and discussions, it is subject to the success of these meetings and discussions. Thank you for your attention, President Donald Trump. All right, this is the big breaking news coming in. US President Donald Trump says USA postpones all strikes against Iran. He says there's going to be a total resolution. He's also now saying for the very first time, he's directed the Department of War in the United States to postpone any and all military strikes against Iranian power plants and infrastructure for a 5-day period. This is the big breaking news coming in, viewers. Let's actually put this into perspective. For the very first time since the escalation against Iran and that attack, President Donald Trump has today said over the last 2 days we've had productive conversations. This has resulted in us saying for a 5-day period there will be no strike, no military strike. It will be postponed against Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure for a 5-day period. Big breaking news, and we're going to patch you with lots of experts on the story. Is this a climb down? Is this a climb down? What are we really trying to see now? Ishita, over to you. What are you picking up?
Right, of course, we're looking at a rhythm. We're looking at climbing down the escalatory ladder in the war in West Asia. Donald Trump now announcing there is a 5-day pause as far as strikes on Iran's power plants are concerned. Now, there was a 48 hours ultimatum that US President had issued to Iran saying if the Strait of Hormuz is not reopened, he will go on striking the power plants all across Iran's landscape. And now we're looking at a big U-turn by the US President Donald Trump, who now says there will be a pause. And this comes right after there were constructive discussions that took place between the US and Iranian side. He says over the past 2 days, there have been discussions going on between the two sides. And now he says for a 5-day period, there will be a pause.